Hello, everybody. So I received this question from a classmate of ours, and it looks like they already solved it here, but I want to go ahead and address it anyway. And this is the second time I've recorded this video because the first time my mic wasn't on, but hopefully I can get this settled for everyone. So in this question, it asks us to find the coordinates of the other endpoint of a segment given its midpoint and one endpoint. So imagine we have a line segment here. Boom, boom, and we have the midpoint. Well, we know two of these, but one of them remains unknown. So we're trying to find that endpoint. So the information we're given the location of the midpoint, and we're given the location of one of the endpoints. And it's our goal to find the other unknown one. Starting off with the midpoint formula, pretty much what we can do is substitute in information from the endpoint that we know and set these expressions equal to the midpoint information that we're given. So I set x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 equal to 18. And I'm substituting in 19 in for one of the x values because this is the x value of the endpoint. This is the x coordinate of the endpoint. This is the x coordinate of the midpoint. And we can set this up to solve for the endpoint coordinate we don't know. I'll do something similar over here for the y's. You see my expression to determine my y coordinate for the midpoint. I'd set that equal to the information we're given about the midpoint. And I substitute in the information about one of the endpoints for one of the two y variables. So then I can go ahead and solve these, just standard linear equations. I multiply both sides by 2. I get 19 plus x sub 2 is equal to 36. I subtract 19 from both sides, and x sub 2 is equal to 17. Over here on the y's, I do something similar. I end up with 16 plus y sub 2 is going to be equal to 44. I subtract 16 from both sides. 44 minus 10 is 34. 34 minus 6 is 28. So my midpoint is going to be equal to 17 comma 28, and we can kind of already see that up there for that problem. But I just wanted to address this. If anyone else is having issues with this, just let me know if you have any other questions. Peace.